believe he made it eat a bug!
It wasn't me! It was the game!
It's your turn, Sonic.
You have to roll and pick a card at the same time. And you guys think I'm the one that's out of touch.
Oh my god, I'm trying. Pass.
Excuse me?
You didn't let me skip when I rolled to wear a dress!
Don't be upset, Amy. I'll kiss you.
No, 6. That's okay. I guess that just makes Sonic a quitter. Well, whatever. Well, since he lost, that puts me down to 3 points.
Did anyone else see polka dots, or was that just me?
Pretty sure I saw some tongue.
Clearly I picked a bad time for the nation.
Now I know how to mold a Pumbaa belt!
So, that dress is really flattering on you.
I think so too.